Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Police Couldn't Keep a Straight Face with This Entitled Woman by Crime Time Cam.
Good morning, ma'am. You have your license with you?
How you doing?
I'm good. You have your license with you?
Yeah. What was the problem?
Can I have your license for me, please?
Why is she looking like that?
What was the problem?
Can I have your license and I'll let you know?
Yes. What was the problem, though?
Ma'am, just need your license and I'll let you know.
Okay, but I also have the right to know what was the problem.
Ma'am, we could do this my way or your way. You could be detained and then I continue.
I don't have to be detained
Correct.
because I know, but I'm just trying to figure out what was the problem.
I just need your and then I'll let you know. What's the problem?
You see that bonnet in the back or that bow tie? That tell you she finna give y'all hell.
Problem.
Okay, so what was the problem? Is what
when I get your ID, I will let you know.
I understand it. I understand you have I have no problem giving you my ID, right. But what was the issue?
The issue is right now, I just need your ID and then I'll let you know.
What was the issue, sir? I know my rights.
Can you step over for me? Step over for me.
What was my? I'm in my property.
Ma'am, just need your license for me.
Okay, but what was the issue?
Your headlight is out. That's why.
My headlight.
Yes, ma'am.
My head. Oh, baby. Okay, what's your name?
Russell. You receive a
What's your name? What's your number?
Russell 728.
Okay, let me.
I'll give you a paper. You don't have to write it down. I'll give you a paper. Ma'am.
What's your name? You said Russell.
I will give you a paper.
Russell.
Yes.
God damn, them baby hair stretching all the way to her eyebrows.
I need your license.
What's your ID at badge?
728.
728. And who was your supervisor?
I need your license for the last time.
Yes, sir. I will give you that. I have not.
I
have never.
she is finna be hell.
Never said that I was
step out the vehicle for me.
I never said that I was not gonna get 728.
Step out the vehicle for me.
I don't have to because I never said that I was never gonna give you what you asked for.
Because I'm asking too many times.
Because I asked you what was the problem was. Because you said it was my headlight.
I already told you the problem.
I understand that. And I understand. I never just said that I was never going to give you.
Just need your ID.
All right, okay.
Thank you.
And I never said that I was never going to give you my ID. I simply pulled over in my neighborhood. Like, this does not make any sense whatsoever. Because of my headlight. Okay.
And when I'm rolling through them red lights, I keep my head tight.
It makes no sense.
What rapper said that?
It makes no sense.
Ma'am, I need your ID.
You're gonna get that.
Put the phone.
I'm giving you.
Put the phone down. I need your ID.
Oh, she gonna get out that car for that phone.
You're going to get my ID.
I need your
You're going
ID.
to get my ID, but you have no right to sit up there.
Your phone.
You have no. You didn't. You have. I'm giving you my ID.
Girl, your ass going to jail.
Get it, ma'am.
I'm giving you my ID right now.
Give me your ID.
You're touching me. I'm giving you. How can I give you my ID? You're touching me.
Let me have your
How
ID.
can I give you my ID? You're touching me. It's on your head camera.
Ma'am.
So how can I give you my ID? You're touching me. Don't touch me if I give you my head ID. I'm giving you the and multitasking.
What is it called?
Like don't sit up.
Hold on. What she say it's called?
How can I give you my ID? You're touching me. Don't touch me if I give you my head ID. I'm giving you the and multitasking. Like don't sit up there and do that to me. I'm not disrupting anything that you're saying to do. But you're putting your hands on me.
Have a seat.
But you're putting your hands on me.
Have a seat.
I am, but you're putting your hands on me. I never said that I was not giving you my ID, but you're putting your hands on me. You was a black man. It's on your camera. It's on your camera. I know your name. I know your name. I know your name. Put his hands on me. I'm calm, but he put his hands on me like I never said I would give you what you asked what you needed and I said you could get what you needed, but you put your hands on me. He put his hands on me. Record the camera's recorded, and you put your hands on me.
She look like.
Yeah, I think she's 30. Yeah.
She gotta be drunk.
Step back here for me.
Come to the back of the car. Come to the back of the car. Ma'am.
I'm okay.
Ma'am, step out the vehicle.
I don't need to gather. I don't need to gather because you put your hands on me. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe.
Go to jail. Get out of the car.
I don't feel safe. Wait. Mama. Stop.
She calling for her mama?
Stop. I don't feel safe. I'm not dirty. You talking about dirty.
Get out of the car.
No, you never record the camera. You a white man. And you trying to do this to a black woman. Stop!
Hey, don't turn
Stop!
around.
Stop!
Do not turn on that car.
Oh, why would you do that?
Stop! Stop touching me! Mama, come to the neighborhood!
Get out of the
Come
car.
to the neighborhood, Mama!
You're about to get tased.
How?
Get out the car.
Get out.
Get out the car.
Okay.
How hard is it to just listen to the officer's commands? Like, why people always want to do what the fuck they want to do when the officer's clearly in control and telling you what you're supposed to be doing?
Back up, back up, back
Get out the
up!
car.
Back up, back
No.
up!
Get out the car.
How? You're all right here!
Don't
How?
get out.
You're all
All
right
right,
here!
last one.
How? You're all right here! How? You're all
She's
right
trying to turn the
How
car
can I get
Come on,
out?
get out.
Because we're pulling you. Get out.
How? If you're all coming right here! How? Mama!
I love you, P.O.P. Hold it down.
Get out.
Oh,
Get out.
Get out. of the car.
okay! Stop! All right!
Bzzz. Damn,
You all right, guys?
Oh, you gonna do that to me? Stop!
she gotta be drunk.
Look, let me tell you something.
I thought she about to start speaking Spanish, but she about to say habla español.
Baby, I will get out. I'm okay. You do not have to detain me. I will get up. Whatever you ask me, I will get up right now.
You wait
That ship has sailed.
past that.
How?
You all right,
How?
guys?
Cause your ass going to jail.
Because he put his hands on me. It's on the camera. It's on the camera. It's on the
You got to get
camera.
tased again. Stop.
Put your hand behind your back.
Mama!
I need two. I got you. I got
Golly!
it.
Golly! Ah!
Yeah, you did this, man.
How? He put his hands on me!
Can't do it.
He put his hands on me! I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything! God!
You did everything but listen. Everything.
Ah!
Yeah, you did this, man.
How? He put his hands on me!
Can't do it.
He put his hands on me! I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything! God! I would never restrain. I put everything else. I never.
Sit down. Sit down. Relax.
She need to sit up though.
Golly.
Sit down.
Hey, one, she's in custody. You got it.
I'm all right.
No.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Quit yelling, bro.
She can't hear you, baby. They done hung up.
How? Because he put his hands on me. I just said that. It's on the camera. It's on the cameras. Why can't y'all understand that? He put his
Tried to
hands
turn the
on
car on
me.
and drive off.
He just sat there, put his hands on me. How? I put my phone on it's on the Bluetooth. It's on the Bluetooth. I didn't pull up. I didn't drive nowhere. It's on the cameras on the vehicle of the car. I didn't drive nowhere. It's on the Bluetooth. Why would I do that? A cigarette, nicotine, be for real.
Ma'am, you been drinking tonight?
No.
She been drinking like a
I just got
motherfucker.
for work. I just got for work. Oh, ask me to walk in a straight line. I just got.
Look at me.
Look.
Look at me.
That man just put his hands on me. That man just traumatized. I've been through a lot of drugs.
God.
I just sat there and said it to the other officer. I just said he put his hands on me. Please look at the cameras. Please, I'm not lying. He asked me for my ID and I reached for my ID and he put his hands on me. He reached for my hand. Please know that. Please know that. Anything you ask me to do, I will do it right now. I promise you. I
What
handcuffs
about
and
when
all.
I asked you to get out of the car?
Okay, because at the end of the day,
Wow.
no, I asked you because you came behind him, and I told you, I said he put his hands on me, and you did not listen to me. You didn't listen to me. I told you that. And I said it. I said he grabbed my wrist and everything, trying to drag me out the car. And he said that I was not going to get him my ID and everything. No, because I mean a hot dog, literally, please know that. A hot dog, yes, I just got to go to Quinter right now. Quinter right now over there, Fairburn, Georgia. Quinter right now, I just came from there.
She gotta be intoxicated.
Please know that.
Does she have her ID?
I just gave him my ID. I just gave him that. And he just dragged me out the car like that.
Come back for me. Hey, sit up for me, sit up. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in.
She having a whole panic attack.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Yeah, she said she can't breathe. Breathe in, breathe out for me. Relax.
Hey, listen to me real quick, okay? The reason you can't breathe is because you're breathing like that. Follow me. Into your nose. Into your nose. Ma'am, you gotta breathe in through your nose. Yeah, because if you keep breathing like that, you will pass out, okay? In through your nose, out through your mouth. Ma'am.
Oh, come on, man. It's not that serious, bro. You should have just... She literally turned the simple traffic ticket into this.
Into your nose, out to your mouth. I know you're going through a lot right now, but you're making it worse by the way you're breathing.
I'm trying. I've been trying since I did the...
That's how big people breathe, okay? Let her breathe. That's how I used to breathe.
I've been trying to breathe correctly, but I can't breathe. I've been breathing right.
You gotta breathe into your nose, out to your mouth, okay?
How the fuck people be talking about, I can't breathe, but I can talk?
My chest out. I need oxygen. I need oxygen to my chest.
Beverage. You keep hyperventilating, you will pass out. So
anything that I can do.
Diamond,
yes.
I read the incomplete consent form for you, okay? You agreed to go with me to do that blood test, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna breathe. Listen. If you don't, you agreed. No, wait. Before you speak.
I have never got to say anything today.
Diamond, if you refuse to go, you're gonna be charged for that, okay? Yeah. So relax. We're gonna go to the PD. We're gonna take this intox blood test, and then we're gonna go from there.
Pee.
Yes, you will pee right there, okay?
Okay.
All right, calm.
Pee on a stick.
Calm down. You can breathe now. In and out. You good? We get some water at the PD, okay?
Can I please have a sip of water?
I have no water in here. You holding us up. If we go to the PD, we can drink some water, okay? You ready?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Can I ask you something real
At the PD.
Okay.
Thank you, God. Hold on. What was she charged with?
The woman was charged with obstructing identification, resisting arrest, and driving under the influence.
Crazy.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already,
make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.